Today's conversation, what you can do in 60 seconds to brighten your day. They're the viral videos that give us all a good laugh, that make us smile. You've seen some of these. There's so many more out there. Laughter is important. You know why? It releases stress, boosts your mood. You all know that. It's no joke. But here's the part you might not know. When you're really laughing hard, it's the same activity level as a workout. So you're getting, multiple bangs for your buck. So I asked my audience to show me their favorite videos that make them laugh. We're going to start with Melinda.
Hi, Dr. Earl.
How are you?
Good.
What's your video? Can you show it to me?
The treadmill dance guy.
The treadmill dance guy?
Yes.
Let's see. How many guys have seen that?
This guy is my hero.
Look at him go.
Look at that.
He's improv.
He spins.
Oh, my.
His little moon dance.
Well, no one will get bored working out like that. No one's noticing him even.
No. No.
Literally no one. And then he's back out like it never happened.
Yeah.
Like it never happened. Would you have noticed that if someone was doing that in the gym with you? Yeah. You all go to the gym, right? I hope. Good. All right. All right.
Yeah.
Very creative. Thank you very much. All right, I got one more. A video that I think will make everybody smile. Where's Thelma? Thelma? Oh. How are you, Thelma?
Hi, how are you?
So, why are you here?
I'm here to be a contestant on a show. Contestant on your show.
Oh,
actually.
good.
Yes.
That's not actually quite true.
Oh.
It's not quite true.
No.
I want you to take a look at this video that made me smile a lot.
Okay.
Hey Thelma, how you doing? Morris Chestnut here, and I heard you're a big fan of my movies. That really put a big smile on my face. So I wanted to congratulate you because I heard you're an educator. My mother was also an educator.
Oh my God.
And you do great things for so many special needs students in the community. And you put such a big smile on all of their faces. So I just wanted to say thank you for everything.
Oh, thank you.
So we found that you were a big fan of Morris's. I know. In fact, the prize of the contest was tickets to something he was doing. So
Yes.
we had to make that video for you.
Oh my God.
He'll probably watch the show. What would you want to tell him?
I'm speechless now. I don't know what I want to tell. First of all, I love him. He's the most gorgeous thing on the planet right now. but I don't even know what to say.
You know what?
That.
Let's do it better. Just tell him yourself. Morris Chestnut, come on out here, my friend.
Oh my God.
Yeah, go out that way. Where are you going? Are you leaving? Where are you going?
Oh.
Are you guys leaving together? Is this that fast?
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm great.
You know what? I just wanted to come out here and say, because you're such an inspiration to so many people. With all of your great works that you do, you're changing. Should we go over here?
No, I'm going to massage her so you can see her.
you okay?
No.
So I'm just, that's why I really wanted to come out here, because I'm so fortunate to be with you, here in your presence for everything that you do, because you're so selfless and you're a single mother doing it all on your own. Yes. And for that, congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm your biggest fan for that.
And we're back with Morris Chestnut. You're in a movie called Perfect Guy, The Perfect Guy.
Yes, The Perfect Guy.
The perfect guy should also be perfect in the kitchen.
Yes.
How are you?
He should be.
Should be.
He should be.
And I feel like he is.
Me?
Yeah?
Well, not so much. Not so much.
So what happens if you get home and there's not food ready for you? What if your wife's out of town?
If she's out of town, sometimes, unfortunately, I just don't eat. Or I'll make a protein shake. Yeah.
How tragic that would be.
I know.
How many of you would have cooked for Morris if you knew he was hungry at night?
Come on over. Come on over to the house.
I want to make sure you never go to bed hungry. So
Okay.
we've asked a world expert. By the way, this is good for all you. 60-second tricks to get dinner on the table in a hurry. All men can benefit. Women can as well. So from the cooking channel and Eden Eats blog, Eden Grinch Pan is joining us. How are you?
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
So folks always give me the same story. I want to eat healthy.
Yes.
I want to do the right thing for my family. I just don't have time. So we have a bunch of viewers who've offered their biggest challenges. You're going to take on these challenges.
Awesome.
And Morris and I are going to be your sous chefs helping everyone through this.
I'm the luckiest
All right.
girl.
First question, first challenge is from Alana. She posted this photo on Instagram. She says, I'm a pasta lover, but I don't want to take up my whole Sunday to make my sauce. What can I do to speed up the process? Okay, 60 seconds for a sauce.
Okay, so I don't know about you, but when I make a sauce, I make a lot of it, which is great because then you take the extra and you freeze it so you have homemade sauce on hand. But it's such a pain to have to defrost a huge batch. A really great trick to do that is to take your sauce and put it in ice cube trays. That's why you freeze it in the ice cube tray and then you can make individual portions, but you have homemade sauce. So just do it. Here, Morris, I'm gonna have you do this.
Okay, so all right.
I'm gonna have you do
I
this.
can do this.
So you take the pesto and you
Right.
pour it right here down the side of this ice cube tray.
Can Morris take instruction? That's the question. With
Yes,
this right here.
clearly he
Yes,
can.
I can. Yeah.
This might be problematic.
Oh no, he got it. He got it. Put it all in there. Put it all in there. There you go.
And then you probably spread it out evenly, right?
Yeah, you know what? It doesn't need to be perfect because the truth is we're going to take this,
Right.
throw it into a freezer,
Okay.
and then you're going to have frozen pesto cubes that are ready
that
for
looks
dinner.
terrible.
No, I was gonna
Morris,
straighten it out.
that
I was
looks
gonna straighten
bad.
it out.
Okay, right now it may not look pretty, but it
Right.
smells delicious.
It smells delicious.
And that's all that
'cause
matters.
I made it.
Exactly.
And then so then what happens is we freeze it.
You freeze it, and
Right.
then you can have dinner literally on the table in no time because your sauce is already made and it's homemade. Yeah.
Homemade
As
sauce.
much as you need as well.
Exactly.
Would you share that with your wife when you go home?
I will share it with her. Yes, I will do it for her.
Oh.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You got it.
I actually think that's awesome.
All right. What about the actual pasta eating?
Okay, so this is amazing. You can actually make pasta in 60 seconds.
60 seconds, yes.
60 seconds, and you won't believe it. It's amazing. So you take your pasta, you put it in a Ziploc bag with cold water, and you leave it there for an hour and a half. I know that sounds really crazy, and to be honest, it looks kind of weird by the time it's ready to boil, but trust me, it works. Then what I want you to do is take a big pot of boiling water, salt it really well, and you take your pasta and put it directly in.
With the water, with this fluid?
No, you strain it right from the water. So you take it right out, put it into the boiling water, 60 seconds, strain it out,
It's done. And
And
this
it's
is
done.
the cooked pasta.
Is it
and
al
it's
dente?
al dente. It's perfect.
Oh.
Hold on, you know what?
So, you gonna put some, you gonna put
No,
some
wait,
in?
we're gonna put the pesto in there,
Oh,
guys.
we're gonna put the pesto,
We are gonna
okay.
make a 60-second pesto pasta. I want you to toss this for me. I kept a little bit of the liquid from the boiled pasta. Why don't you flip that around? Are you good with tongs?
No, I'm not.
Here, we'll try it.
There
Okay,
you go.
so you just literally
You wear
toss
thongs?
it
Is that what I
together.
heard?
No.
Dr. Oz.
Maybe I heard I'm sorry. All right.
Okay, so you literally toss it around. You
Right.
want the pasta to be hot so that it melts the pesto ice cubes. But there you have it, literally
this is-
60-second pesto.
Anybody who likes pasta? You guys like pasta? You want some? You want some? Can I feed it to somebody?
Okay,
Yeah,
go
please
ahead.
do.
Go ahead.
Here we go.
Get
We'll
in
get
there.
this small little-
That's love.
Here we go.
Here's some bibs.
There you go.
Now you saw his pouring skills already.
Well, hold on. Well, I need a spoon with this too, right? Because she makes
Here,
such great pasta.
hold under.
There you go.
There we go.
Heaven on earth.
There we go. There we go. Come on, Doctor. There we go.
Yeah! That is awesome.
Yeah. Thank you. Well, one more. I've got a tweet from Aaron. You got to read the tweet. My mouth's full. Read the tweet.
Yeah, read the tweet. Okay, here's the tweet from Aaron. Okay. It's not just cooking that takes a long time. It's the cleaning up after it too. So, is there a way to cook quickly with only one pot?
Okay.
Tough challenge.
It
Cooking
is
and-
a tough challenge, but the secret weapon is an immersion blender.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay.
It is so easy to get your hand on one of these, and this blender can actually put together an entire meal. It's a one-pot meal, and this is actually one of my favorite recipes. We have an avocado soup here. There's actually no cooking involved,
No.
but we have a couple of avocados in there. Why don't we put some? And be careful because it's going to spritz everywhere if you.
I'm gonna have Morris
if you-
do this.
Yeah. Okay.
Give me this.
All right, this is
We
lemon
have
juice.
some lime juice. We have some cilantro.
What's this?
And this is a little bit of low sodium chicken stock. Here, Morris, why don't you put that in there?
How much of it? All of it?
Let's start with a cup. Let's see if you can measure a cup out. Oh, no, you got to keep it down this way.
Oh.
There you go. Okay, you put a little bit more in there.
Give me some.
Look at these guys.
You know how it is.
Yeah.
You know.
I need more
They
than
know
that.
what they're
Teamwork,
doing. Yeah, let's
teamwork,
put in there.
It's gonna work. It's gonna work.
There you go.
It works.
You've done this
There you
before,
go. There
haven't
you
you?
go.
Look
That
at
actually worked.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. And if you puree it a little bit longer, you have a beautiful silky avocado soup. Serve it with some sourdough.
Yeah, I like to service with sourdough. That's how I do it in my house.
So
when I serve this to Lisa in bed. Admit it, and these are unsubstantiated rumors, but you probably saw it yourselves. Last time Morris was on the show, he actually beat me in a push-up challenge. I hate losing, but I figured if you can't beat him, you got to join him. So he's back today to teach us all in 60 seconds the exercises that can reshape our body. He's got Thelma with him. We got an Uber fan help us out.
Yeah.
He knows a thing or two about being fit. I've got a little picture. This is is that real?
Yeah, that actually is.
Get out of here. Thelma, can you audit this for me? Feel this.
Okay, here we go.
Sure.
It's right.
It's 1.
Are they real?
Yeah.
2.
Yeah.
3. 4.
Yeah.
Get out of here. So, you obviously get into it. You take great care of yourself. For a lot of folks, this is just a huge obstacle. It's homework.
It is. Sometimes, so I'm just going to show you guys just a couple of exercises that you can do while you're watching the Dr. Oz show. Or you're watching Rosewood or something like that, okay?
Rosewood's a new show coming out here.
Coming out.
So, we only have 60 seconds, though. That's it.
Well, you know, that's the thing about exercising. As long as you do it, you know, as long as you just do something each day, you'll be good.
All right. And you can do it anywhere you want.
Anywhere you want, in front of the
We've
television
got some
set.
ladies, some victims from the audience who want to help
There you
us out. We're going to spread out.
Rolling, spread out a little bit.
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Are you happy
All right.
working out with Morris? They're happy.
Get the workout in.
All right, first move.
First move we're gonna do just like a basic lunge and a twist to work for your core. So you're gonna work your legs, your glutes. You guys wanna work the glutes?
Yeah.
And everybody say yeah. And your core. So it's gonna do a basic lunge.
They want glutes like yours. Is what
Like that. And then just do a basic twist. And then come back. And then go alternate to the next leg. Lunge, down, twist.
You could do these.
There it is. You can do
these
that at
work.
home.
Yeah, or at work.
Even if you just do 10, you know, you can do 10 during commercial breaks.
All right, that's the first one.
That's the first one. Now, that's another very easy one, a kick back. It's also going to work just more your glutes and your back legs. So just feet parallel and just back and squeeze the glutes.
But your feet can't touch the ground.
Yeah, don't put your foot don't let your foot touch the ground.
Come on, Thelma, help us out here.
There you go. There you go. And you can grab your glute while you're doing it, Thelma. There you go. There you go. Make sure you're squeezing it. Make sure you're squeezing it. You guys good? You guys good back there?
Thelma, you want to have Morris? I won't go there. All right, this is something we should do whenever we have time.
Whenever you have time.
A couple times a day, at least once a day.
At least once a day. Start off with once a day and try to make it like 3-4 times a day, and at least 3-4 times a week.
All right. We're all clear on this. We're gonna put it all together now. Everyone at home can do this as well. Super simple. You don't have to do them all together, but whenever you have time, bang it out.
Bang it
Audience,
out.
do your best to participate with us. At least the front row should get up and help us out.
Yeah, front row. Come on, get up. Come on.
You all ready? Take it away.
Here we go. We're gonna do a first lunge,
Yep.
right?
Do the lunge first. Let's
Lunge
go.
first. Here we go. Ready?
Go.
Let's do it. Down, twist, alternate. Down, twist. You good?
All right, and we're gonna finish up with the back.
Sit backward. Yep. Here we go. Kick back. Come down. Take
good.
some balance. You gotta work on your core.
Oh my goodness.
Got it? Work on your core. There you go. There you
God,
go.
my glutes are big.
What's that?
I got
Yeah,
a nice
what's
tight
the
glute.
glute?
That
Yeah,
feels
what's
really
the-
good.
How you guys doing? Good? Detective Willett. Long time no see. How the wife and kids?
They hate me and I hate you.
Hey, you want to hear something exciting?
No,
Noah Grayson. Single car crash. I noticed that the foot.
not my case anymore. Got kicked, a new transfer from NYPD. Detective Villa.
Newbie from New York. I'm sure he can't wait to meet me.
Well, he's a she.
Ooh, even better.
That's a clip from the new TV show Rosewood, starring Morris Chestnut, my good friend, who is my partner in crime today as well. I gotta say this, he's always playing a doctor on television. That's not the
Yes.
first time you've been a doctor.
No, I've been doctor a couple other times.
We
as
should
well.
scrub in together. And
Well, this is what I want to do, because on my show I play a private pathologist, and I, solve a lot of cases using medical terms and all that stuff. I would like for you to come work with me. Come to my show, be my guest, and help me out. Can you do
all
that?
right, we'll do both.
We'll do both.
We'll do
There
both.
we go.
We'll do
There it
both.
is.
All right.
On TV. So.
Now, everyone loves you. The audience hasn't stopped smiling.
Okay.
Tomorrow, everyone, this is what you're going to be talking about. You've stolen tons of hearts on screen, but off
Okay.
screen, one wife,
Yes.
19 years. Name is Pam.
Yes.
Marriage is a challenge.
Yeah.
What's the secret?
I think for us, it's been communication. You know, you always have to communicate because, you know, when you've been together for a long time, you know, sometimes people tend to grow apart. So you always have to stay in constant communication for us.
See, my father-in-law told me when we got married, he says, given on the small things, when big decisions have to be made, you know what it feels like.
Oh, that's a good point.
You're not making those either. All right, we're going to play a quick game, 60 seconds of love advice with Morris Chestnut. You can all play. Lined up, here you are. You ready to go, ladies?
60 seconds?
60 seconds.
So 60 seconds.
How many can you answer in 60 seconds? Are you ready?
Here we go.
Start the clock, Scott, and go.
Okay, so what is the best way to make up after a fight?
Very passionately.
What's the best food to help you get in the mood?
Ooh, chocolate strawberries.
Oh, my God.
So when you're in
Chocolate
love, do you follow your gut, heart, or mind?
All three.
Only Morris Chestnut can do that.
Is it sexier to sleep in pajamas or naked?
Naked.
Naked. I like that. I like that. All right.
Is food really the best way to a man's heart?
It's one of the best ways to a man's heart. We can't discuss the others on TV.
Can you change a man?
No.
You can try, though. It's fun to try.
How long till you wait till you say I love you?
Oh, well, it has to come from the gut.
Okay.
How long? So to say you love me when it feels
Is
like it.
chivalry dead?
No, not in my house.
Takes orders.
Here.
Who's always right, you or your wife?
First lesson, my wife's always.
Pam, always. Last question. Get it in, get it in.
Who should say sorry first?
Oh, the man.
Yes. Because chivalry's not that. Guys,
Chivalry's not that.
nicely done. That's a lot of questions. Morris, thank you very much.
Thank you
my
for
friend.
having me. I
So
appreciate
nicely
it.
done. Serious
Thank
stuff. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.